Half a year ago, I was in ninth grade, and for some reason, I decided to take an SAT practice test. Now on social media, I've heard it's really easy, unless you're American. So let's see how it is. Okay, I'm about to jump into the test now. So I didn't give myself any extra time. I'm taking this as if it's the real thing. So yeah, so there's like multiple modules. I think that's it. I think I'll start. And from like what I've heard from YouTube Shorts, this should be pretty easy. But I don't know. Uh, First, yeah, there's English. The English section is first. Okay, I think I'll just head on now. So, education reform advocate William Lee, incorporating hands-on school curricula can blah blah blah. He contends that. Okay, I mean, the options. Okay, obviously B is like the only positive one. That obviously has to be that, right? The film Nomadland. Nomadland? It's the film. I mean, this memory is the only good thing, right? Like everything else is just everything that is like, makes it seem negative. The assertion that scientific journal would propagate. What is this? Quantum theory? I thought this was English. Okay. I mean, B makes like A doesn't make sense. It has to be B, right? Like like the thing is that you can't spend too much time on one singular question, like only a minute per question max. For this, I think it's B. Yeah. Okay, what is this? Like, why am I doing a table? Like, is this? I thought this is English. This doesn't feel like English. I think it's this is electrical conductivity. Blah blah blah. I think. Yeah, whatever. I'll come back to it. So 14. We got a graph. We got a. Excuse my computer. But like seriously, like, best of plotted by data. I guess I gotta read this entire thing. I'm not sure. I mean, hopefully I wouldn't run out of time here. Okay, like this is one of those questions that seem simple, but I do not know what the answer is. Like, am I stupid? It's just commas. Geologist James Moore and Hargo figured, whatever that name is. Like, I think it's A, right? You're not supposed to have a comma at the end part, right? Like, what would I Grammarly do in this circumstance? Okay, well, whatever. What? Oh, whoa. Oh, I get to cross I get to cross answers out. Okay, that's nice. I'm not sure if that makes it much better, but I guess that's neat. Okay, I'm sure the Salk guy is probably a great guy. I mean, he developed the polio vaccine, right? I mean, B looks great. B looks like a great answer here. Yeah. Okay. A student has taken the following notes. Wait. Chinook and what? What do you mean sockeye? Who names a fish sockeye? Like, what is this? Like, and that scientific name? What? Huh? Okay. Okay, I think I'm done with like the English section. Okay, so what's next? The math section? Wait. Oh yeah, there's two modules to the English section. Like, okay, I did half an hour, but I have to do another half an hour. Yeah, this is basically the same thing. So all questions multiple choice, yada yada. Okay. Okay, I think it got a little harder because like, why are there so many words, man? Like, okay, I'll just mark this for review. I'll check back later to it. Well, I'll just head on. And what is this? This is the exact same like geologist blah 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 comma question. It's just that now we're using paleontologists. Like Derek Briggs, who has Briggs in the name. Oh my. Okay, B. I'm choosing B, man. I think it seems nice. All right. And I'm starting to notice a pattern. All those grammar questions are like they come in later on in the module, so that you do all of the long questions first and then the easy questions. I don't know why, but okay. I guess that's something. I guess. Okay, here I'm pretty sure is indeed. But how did I forget what nevertheless means? Like I'm not sure I'm not sure what's happening to my brain, but how did I forget that word? Okay. Yeah, I think I'm learning quite a lot of mildly interesting research studies through the English SAT module, but alright. Okay. And bird migration. I mean, okay, we got like notes and bullet points, but I mean, bird migration's kind of cool, okay, I guess.
A few moments later.
Okay, maybe not that cool, but I mean, at least it's like the last question, right? But I mean, now I have to review this question about the immune system of rice. I mean, at least I figured out the answer though. Okay, yeah, I think that's all I can do. Yeah, I think I'm done with the English section, right? So now it's wait, what? Practice test break. You can resume this practice test when you're ready to. Wait, oh, so like I guess in between the two sections, you get to, just rest for like 10 minutes. I mean, that's pretty smart, right? I mean, like, I'm getting a little, my brain's getting a little bit tired, so. Okay, now is the math section. So, use of a calculator. Okay, I mean, that's nice. And yeah, I mean, all the other instructions are the same. I mean, like, according to those, like, SAT math, like, those shorts, all the math questions should be pretty easy. Like, this. Percentage of 500 is 370. Wait, what? Percentage of 5? So, 500, what percentage times 500 is 375? 50% obviously that can't be true. C and D, I mean, how can it be more than 100%? That doesn't make sense. It's B. And next, wait, why are there so many letters? Like, there's like more letters than numbers here. Oh, wait, okay, wait, this is easy actually. Like, this is just indices. So it's just like a cubed times a is just a to the 4, b squared times b cubed is just b to the 5th, and c minus 1 times c squared, that's just minus 1 plus 2, or just or it's just c. So yeah, c. That okay. Okay, next is okay. What is this? Student produce response directions. And why is there so much, like so many lines, like so many bullet points? Like, well, I mean, I'm not sure if I have enough time to read the guidelines, but like I think this is just open-ended. I think. So let me read. The function g is defined by gx 1/5 of. Okay, I haven't even learned this yet. Like what? That means that if I put in, so if gx is 50, I put 50 in there. So it's just 1/5 of 50 is 10, right? Like I don't know this. Like what am I supposed to put here? Then the so there's a graph or something, and it's boxes. I don't know what the boxes represent. Okay, I haven't seen this in my entire life. Group A, group. What is this? Seriously, what is this? So y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 6. If we shift that by 4, that's minus 6 plus 4 or minus 2. I mean, that's not that hard. Okay, so after 12 hours, it would double about 4 times, and that's 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So 16 times 10, that's just 160. Man, that's pretty easy. Okay, wait. Yeah, the adjacent of s is the same as the opposite of or. So the top part of the fraction is the square root of 3. Then the bottom part is the hypotenuse. So that's like 1 squared plus the square root of 3 squared, that's 1 plus 3 or 4. The square root of that is 2. So it's the square root of 3 over 2. Yeah. Oh, why do it take so long though? Like, it's really hard to do this without a diagram. Like, okay. this? It's like a function and a polynomial. Like I, I don't know, man. Like I'm running low on time. Come on. Okay, well, so it's like 2x to minus 4. I can't do this, man. Like especially without a pen and paper. So 2x minus 4 times. Okay, yeah, my brain is fried, man. My brain is going to spontaneously combust. I can't be a decimal, so yeah, I want. Yeah, I think I threw on that one. I threw on that one. Okay, oh well. So second module. So check. Wait, I'm not supposed to be here. Wait. No, this is the second question. Okay, the function the function f is defined by gx is equal to f2x, which of the... Why is it not a function? I don't know this. If it's 2x, wait, if the x is on the left, then the x is on the right. If I put 2x, that means that the x on the right becomes 2x, right? So that's 3 to 2x. That's the same as 9x, like indices. Is that how it works? I think that's how it works, right? So I think it's just gx is equal to 9x. I mean 2 times 9x. Yeah. So each table has a profit of 100. To balance the cost, you need 24 tables, and to make 1,000 you need 10 more, so that's 34. Yeah, I mean this is not too hard yet, I guess. Okay. So if you add 6 to k, then y drops by 24. So that means that if you subtract 3 by k, it should go in the other direction by halfway. So that's it should add 12. So it's 9 plus 12, which is 21. Yeah, I mean that's not that hard yet. Then on the xy, okay, come on. Well, okay, I'm running out of time as well. Okay. Okay, so 2 doesn't work. 3 is 5, so it's 5 minus 5. That's 0. So it's, yeah, that works. So that means it's 1 and 3. Wait, oh, okay, yeah, I'm correct here. Then, right, okay. This is, so A has to be negative, and if B is 3, that means A has to be less than 3, yeah. Okay, why do I choose C? Okay, but, yeah, I think I should be done, right? Right? Like there's no module 3 or some shit like that, right? And okay, thank goodness. Like my brain is tired, man. But okay, let's see what score I got. And a 1250. I mean, like the average is like 1050, right? I mean, I think I mean like that is pretty good, right? Okay, you can also see everything I got wrong. Okay, I mean I got most of them right, but dang. Like this one would have been easy, just that I can't compute everything in my brain. I'm sure like the real test lets you have like a pen and paper, but okay, oh well. And okay, what's next? This is the freaking like average like bar graph. I have never learned this before. What am I supposed to do here? But I think like, I mean, I guess this is not bad, especially since it's like my first time and I was in like 9th grade. So one thing's for sure, that like those SAT practice videos are way easier than the real test. But anyways, please like and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, I mean there's not a lot else I can say here. I think I should just finish up this video, right?